Question number 1. Write the word equation for photosynthesis worth 2 marks. Because it's worth 2 marks, you're probably going to get some marks for the reactants and also for the products. So let's take a look at the equation. Carbon dioxide plus water and also plus light energy. If you write this, make sure that it's in brackets because it's not a substance. These are then converted to glucose and oxygen. Question number 2. Describe how the leaf is adapted for photosynthesis worth 3 marks. Well, let's take a look at some of the possible answers. First of all, the leaf has a large surface area to absorb light energy. It's also packed full of palisade cells that contain lots of chloroplasts, helping them to absorb the maximum amount of light energy. They contain lots of stomata to allow the diffusion of gases. They also contain guard cells and a waxy cuticle. These both help to reduce water loss. And finally, they contain xylem vessels which transport water to the leaves.